Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't had a chance already to do so, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. In today's video, let's take a look at the perfect way to add dashes of nature and green to your home, inside and outside, even if you don't have a green thumb. Let's talk all about succulents. Now, if you want to bring this style to your home after watching this video, go ahead and check the description box down below. I have just searched Amazon and found my favorite succulents and succulent accessories. So right down there in the description box, and also stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll show you some of my favorite pictures from this video. All right guys, bye-bye. just wanted to show you some of my favorite succulents here. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to actually watch this video. If you want to see a little bit more, check out this one or this one. Just hit one of the videos. See you in the next one. Bye guys.